Just to give you a little bit of context as to where I'm coming from when it comes to YouTube, I've been uploading videos to YouTube for 17 years. And during that time, I've uploaded over 1,700 videos. And a couple of weeks ago, I finally hit 10,000 subscribers. So take that, for whatever you want. Now, one of the challenges with YouTube is that basically you upload a video and then it finds who would find that video interesting. Now, you'd think with somebody with 1,700 videos, there'd be something interesting to basically everybody, but it's not true. And there's a couple of reasons for that. But what I found on YouTube so far is that if you have a very, very specific channel, it really likes that. So let's say I had CNCKing.com, let's just say my channel was all about welding only. So all the shorts, all the YouTube videos, all the posts, everything was just welding specifically. I'd have a lot more subscribers, a lot more views, everything would be a lot higher. And same thing with, I made a channel all about 3D printing, exactly the same thing. If you go 100% into one specific small niche, it's not that hard to dominate it. Now the challenge with my company is that we don't have a specific niche. We're more of like a broad custom. So custom fabrication using water jet, custom fabrication using laser cutters, routers, everything, right? So when YouTube looks at one of my videos, right away it says, okay, what is this guy doing? He uploaded a water sort of video yesterday, and today's uploading MDF being chopped up by a router. And that just came into being to me just now, today, because YouTube just released an update to their app. And on the app, there's like a YouTube AI interpretation. So basically it looks at the video that you're making and says, well, this is what you're making. This is what I think you're making with this. And it was really interesting because I was laser engraving a rubber stamp. So it's, anybody looking at this will know that I'm laser engraving a rubber stamp, even if you've never seen a laser, even if you've never seen a stamp. It's just such an obvious thing to look at. And YouTube said, hey, he's 3D printing a duck with a ladder going across it. And YouTube also did the 3-2-1 sort of thing too. So that explains so much to me why I hadn't gotten that much traction on YouTube compared to so many other channels. And I've had people ask me that quite a bit and say, how come you're not in the millions and millions of this and that and so forth? Because if you're not in a specific niche and you don't focus 100% on that little niche, YouTube really has no idea what you're doing. And every video you upload, oh, this is for this is for that. Okay, well, last time you uploaded this and last time you uploaded that. So you're just trying to game the system or something like that. But it doesn't understand what a broad sort of interpretation of what a channel is and a broad interpretation of what a business can do. And if you want to get really, really successful on YouTube, number one, just make a niche and focus 100% only on that niche. Now that brings up an interesting topic. For CNCKing.com, if I really want to get a lot more niche, what I really should be doing is having a separate YouTube channel for water jet, a separate one for welding, a separate one for laser, a separate one for router. That's way too much work. I don't have time for that kind of stuff. And I think eventually YouTube will catch on to what I'm doing with YouTube. So if you're looking for custom fabrication, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.